In this video, I will be showing you how to download TikTok in laptop or PC in Windows. So let's get started. For this, just go to search and type store. We'll be having the official Microsoft store. Open it, and here we'll be having the search option. Just go here and search for TikTok, and we'll be having the official one. Click it, and as you can see, it has around 11,000 ratings. So just click on install. This will take some time to download and install, so just be patient till then. Once it is done, we will be having the open option, and if I go to search and type TikTok, I'll be having the TikTok app. You can either pin it to taskbar if you want to open more frequently. So now let's click on open. We'll be getting the TikTok interface like this. You can simply log in to your account and use it. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.